Which Bluetooth OBD2 scanner is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, OBD2 MX Plus. First up is the OBD2 MX Plus, which really caught my eye with its professional-grade capabilities for $177.51. If you want to turn your iPhone, Android device, or Windows PC into a top-notch diagnostic tool, this is worth a serious look. This scanner is designed to make vehicle diagnostics easy. Imagine having access to ABS, SRS, and TPMS data right on your phone. This capability means you can diagnose problems before they escalate, saving you time and money at the repair shop. Plus, with over 3,000 units sold just last month, it's clear that many users trust it. Now, some users have mentioned that it's a bit pricey compared to others. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for reliability and advanced features, the investment might just be worth it for you. This is perfect for DIY mechanics or anyone who wants to understand their car better without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're just looking for a quick fix for simple issues. But if you want a comprehensive diagnostic tool, the OBD2 MX Plus delivers value for its price. Now, if the price point of the OBD2 MX Plus felt a bit high, the next product might be more your speed. Product number 2, VPEEK OBD Check BLE. Next up, we have the VPEEK OBD Check BLE, priced at just $40.56. What caught my attention here is its compatibility with most 1996 plus OBDI compliant vehicles. If you want a cost-effective way to check your check engine light, this one is definitely worth considering. This little device focuses on the essentials. This means you can catch issues before they lead to major repairs. It's neat that it connects via Bluetooth LE and doesn't require any complicated pairing, just plug it in and open the app. With over 2,000 units sold last month, it's starting to gain traction among budget-conscious drivers. However, some users reported that its advanced features are limited depending on the app you choose. Here's the thing, if you're mainly looking for basic diagnostics, this won't be a deal-breaker. But if you need advanced features, you might need to explore further. This is perfect for you if you're a casual driver who wants to keep an eye on your vehicle's health without spending a fortune. Skip this one if you're a serious DIY mechanic needing in-depth diagnostics. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for user-friendly features. Product number 3, UMEIJA OBD2 Scanner. The UMEIJA OBD2 scanner is next, coming in at a budget-friendly $26.50. This one stood out to me because it emphasizes performance testing. If you're looking for a scanner that helps you monitor your vehicle's condition in real time, this is worth a serious look. It covers over 96% of car makes and models, which means it's highly likely to be compatible with your vehicle. The Bluetooth 5.4 connectivity also ensures faster and more reliable connections, eliminating the hassle of wired setups. With over 1,000 units sold last month, it's proving popular among everyday drivers. However, some users found the instructions a bit lacking, which can be frustrating. Here's the thing, if you're somewhat tech-savvy or willing to figure things out, this shouldn't be a huge issue. This is perfect for you if you enjoy DIY car maintenance and want to save money by diagnosing issues yourself. Skip this one if you're looking for a scanner with extensive support and guidance. Now, if you're still searching for something simple and effective, the next product might just hit the mark. Product number 4, VPEEK OBD Check BLE Plus. The VPEEK OBD Check BLE Plus is up next, priced at $53.25. This caught my eye for its focus on universal compatibility. If you want a reliable scanner that works well with most vehicles, this is definitely worth your time. Like its cheaper sibling, this scanner provides essential functionality like reading and clearing trouble codes. What's nice here is that it supports a variety of apps, which gives you flexibility in how you want to use it. With around 1,000 units sold recently, people are clearly finding value in it. Still, some users pointed out that it lacks advanced diagnostics for some specific functions. Here's the thing, if you're just looking for basic diagnostics, you won't miss out on much. but if you need specialized features, you might want to look at more advanced options. This is perfect for you if you need a straightforward tool to keep track of your vehicle's health. Skip this one if you need more advanced diagnostics, as that might leave you wanting more. Finally, if you're eager for something compact, the last product might surprise you. Product number 5, VPEAK Mini OBD2 Scanner. Finally, we have the VPEAK Mini OBD2 Scanner priced at just $19. This caught my attention because of its ultra-compact size and affordability. If you want something easy to use and carry around, this one is definitely worth a look. This mini scanner is designed specifically for Android devices and allows you to monitor live sensor data, including vehicle speed and engine RPM. Its compact size makes it easy to store in your glove compartment. Over 800 units sold recently shows there's a demand for a straightforward, no-frills option. However, it's important to note that it doesn't support iOS devices at all. Here's the thing, if you're an Android user, this won't be a deal breaker. But if you have an iPhone, you'll need to look elsewhere. This is perfect for you if you want a simple diagnostic tool to check engine lights without any hassle. Skip this one if you own an iOS device, as that would completely limit its usability. Now that we've gone through the list, let's wrap things up. So to recap, we started with the OBD2 MX Plus for its professional capabilities, then moved to the budget-friendly VPEAK OBD2 BLE, followed by the performance-focused UMEIJA OBD2 scanner. After that, we explored the versatile VPEAK OBD2 BLE Plus and finally wrapped up with the compact VPEAK Mini. Each of these scanners has its strengths and weaknesses, so choose one that aligns best with your needs. Happy scanning!